Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a gear like this in Freecad. So firstly, I'm going to go in, we're already in part design. We're going to go to part design on the top. We're going to go click involute gear. Once we've done that, we can do a whole bunch of things. Okay, let's do how sharp the gear is. So this one, it will show you how sharp it is, or like if you want like a hard edge or not. Make it a little bit less, and there's also this, which kind of acts like a pressure angle, but it adds like a little edge to it, which I don't know, maybe useful. We don't know. I don't know a lot about gears, but anyway, you could get to a point of error, and I can see how that could be happening. You can't put too much pressure on the angle, but then we have the actual pressure angle. This won't add a weird edge to your end, and it'd be less. Okay, once we've done that, we're going to decrease that. Then we have the circle in the middle. Let's say you can make the circle as small as you want. And this one, oh wait, let me just base it back in. This one moves the whole entire thing. I don't know why it's doing some of the stuff it is doing, but as you can see, you could change the whole size of it, and it does work pretty well. This could be used for a variety of reasons again, but we really don't know what's to be useful. Then we can just adjust the number of gears we want. Could have up to 400. There's no limit on how much gears you can have. But we can also have like up to a minimum of 3. So you have to have 3. We're just gonna have to drag the involute. We're gonna have to drag the gear into its own body, just to make sure it extrudes. There you go. Once it's extruded, you can do anything you want. You can make this taller, which is what I'm doing. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to subtractive. No wait, no, not the wrong way. Subtractive cylinder. Press the top as a reference and change the part. So we can obviously change that. That's fine. And then we can change that. And then we have it over here. Okay. So we can cut out a hole like that. There are a number of other things we can do with this. Bye guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe and share, and don't forget to comment, and please support me. Bye.